Welcome to Technique 360. This is a hub that reviews technological insights, breakthroughs, platforms, systems, and a whole lot of others in the tech space. And in this video, we'll be looking at AI video makers or video generators. Okay, so stay tuned to the end. Before then, let's quickly look at a note on prompt engineering, which has to do with the way you frame your text prompt, the command you assign to your model to be able to get the right or expected result at the end of the day. So the video you generate largely depends on the kind of prompt you assign to your video generator or maker. So take some time to go through this note from top to bottom. Okay, a link to this note is already in the description section. Do well to go through it. If you have any concerns, you can make use of the comment section. All right, so in this video we'll be looking at imagine at okay, imagine at. So the link to this platform is also in the description section. So the first time you get down here, you'll be asked to sign up, which can quickly do that. Then it will get you down to this page after signing up. For me, I'm already signed up, as you can see at the top right corner here. All right, so our interest is video using text, that is text to video. So we'll pick the text to video option. Okay, okay, we click next. All right, so this is where we begin. Here you type in your text. Okay, you type in your text here, or if you have already written one, you can copy and paste it here. Okay, so let's pick a prompt from the one we already typed. Okay, we'll go over to our notes. Let's pick a prompt from the notes. I've provided over 20 prompts here, so you can practice with each of them. Okay, all right, let's pick this prompt here. We'll copy down to this place. Don't include the quotation marks when copying. All right, concerning travel destination. Okay, so we'll come over here to this field and Ctrl V. We'll paste our prompt here. Okay, so here you can choose different model. This is Imagine V3. Then the shape, the ratio of the video is going to be a square, landscape, or portrait. We can maintain square. If you want portrait, landscape, you can choose. Okay, effect, if you care about that. Then let's preview. Okay, all right, so our image for the video is ready. As you can see they say choose an image to use as a reference for your video. Okay, so we quickly pick an image here. Okay, we quickly pick an image. All right, let's use this image. All right, so from this image we can move to the next phase. We click generate to get the video. Oh, hope I still have some. Okay, so I've exhausted my units, so I need to buy more credit from any of these subscription plans here. Okay, all right. Okay, so when you get to this place, being your first time, you should be having sufficient unit or credit to generate your video. I've been using this platform for a while now. I've generated a lot of content using these platforms, so I'm just having about 30 credits, as you can see on the top right corner. And for this video I need about 100 units or credits put together, 80 for the video, 20 for the image, so I'm only having 30. So but you being the first time, even without upgrading, you have up to 150 or more credit to practice with. And when you observe that the platform is really giving you what you want, even when you run out of credit, you can upgrade to get more credit and keep using the platform. All right, so that will be all for this video. Okay, so whenever you run out of credit, you can click upgrade to pick a plan that aligns with your budget. All right, so don't forget to go through the notes carefully to acquaint yourself with all you need to know and practice with the prompts I've provided here, over 20 of them. And wherever you have question or concerns, don't forget to make use of the comment section to reach out to me. Thank you once again for staying tuned to the end. See you in other videos.
Thank you for staying tuned to the end. We believe you got value from this video. Smash that like button, subscribe to the Technic 360 channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new videos. Thank you from all of us at Technic 360.